Hey everyone, welcome back to our APIGURU channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Damien Thurn here. On this channel we share everything you need to know about APIs. Today we will compare the leading API platform vendors. Let's get started. An API platform is a collection of tools and services that enables the creation, management and consumption of application programming interfaces. Central to the platform is the API gateway, which serves as the main access point for managing requests and responses and essential functions like load balancing and authentication. The developer portal is crucial for fostering API adoption, offering resources such as documentation, code samples, and interactive testing tools. Meanwhile, the admin portal allows administrators to monitor usage, manage access, and configure settings, ensuring smooth and secure operations. Finding the right API platform vendor can be challenging for organizations aiming to enhance their digital experiences. With numerous options available, each offering different capabilities and features, making an informed decision is crucial. The Gartner Magic Quadrant for API management is a valuable resource, providing an insightful analysis of the top vendors in the market. This report categorizes companies based on their ability to execute and completeness of vision, helping businesses identify the best fit for their needs. Gartner is a global research and advisory company that provides insights and analysis on various industries, particularly in technology. They offer research reports, market analysis, and advisory services to help organizations make informed decisions about IT and business strategies. In the latest Gartner Magic Quadrant for API platforms, several leaders stand out for their distinct strengths and weaknesses. Each caters to different aspects of API management and deployment needs. Today we will compare those leaders. Google Cloud Apigee is a notable leader recognized for its commitment to innovation. By integrating AI through Google Gemini, Apigee enhances various functionalities such as API design and security, providing customers advanced capabilities to manage their APIs more effectively. The platform's product strategy includes the powerful Apigee Advanced API Security, which features robust anomaly detection capabilities. This integration allows organizations to monitor and protect their API usage without needing separate security products, making it appealing for large enterprises that require comprehensive API management. However, a potential drawback lies in Google Cloud's sales strategy, which primarily promotes its Apigee X offering. This focus could alienate customers who prefer maintaining existing on-premises solutions or utilizing other cloud platforms. Additionally, Apigee's design is primarily tailored for strategic API management needs, which might overlook simpler, more developer-driven requirements. This focus and the lack of significant enhancements for specific industries may limit its appeal to businesses with specialized needs. IBM also maintains a strong position in the quadrant, showcasing a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics and customer requirements. The IBM API Connect platform provides deployment flexibility, supporting hybrid, multi-cloud, and on-premises environments. This versatility is crucial for organizations adopting a mixed approach to their API strategies. The platform offers robust API design, testing, and security capabilities, with notable innovations such as AI-driven threat detection integrated into its features. This positions IBM as a strong contender for organizations seeking extensive functionality. However, the complexity of its product offerings, exacerbated by its recent acquisition of webMethods, might confuse potential customers due to overlapping product features. Furthermore, IBM's marketing strategy tends to emphasize broad, cross-industry initiatives rather than individual products, which can limit awareness of its API management capabilities among prospective clients. Additionally, many users have reported challenges related to the complexity of deployment, which can complicate upgrade processes and necessitate careful consideration of implementation strategies. Axway's Amplify Platform stands out for its strength in distributed API management. It effectively enables organizations to manage and govern APIs across various cloud environments and platforms. This is particularly beneficial for enterprises that utilize multiple API gateways, as it offers seamless integration and enhanced visibility. Axway is known for its proactive customer engagement, frequently collaborating with clients to refine their API strategies and improve the overall customer experience. This approach has contributed to the company's recent return to profitability, signaling successful market penetration. However, despite these strengths, Axway faces challenges related to brand visibility within developer communities. Its historical focus on managed file transfer and traditional B2B integration may hinder its ability to attract the attention of developers crucial to API adoption. Moreover, while many of its customers currently operate on premises, Axway actively encourages migration to its cloud offerings, necessitating carefully evaluating its cloud strategy to ensure alignment with customer needs. Salesforce MuleSoft leverages its parent company's expansive global influence to effectively engage a diverse range of customers across various sectors. The Anypoint Platform encompasses comprehensive integration capabilities, extending beyond simple API management to address broader use cases, such as data management and automation. This versatility makes it a compelling option for organizations seeking a multifaceted solution. However, MuleSoft's pricing remains a point of contention, particularly for small and mid-sized organizations that may find the cost prohibitive despite introducing consumption-based pricing options to ease these barriers. Additionally, while the company has improved its distributed API management capabilities, some new features have been perceived as more reactive than genuinely innovative. Moreover, aspects such as API monetization, gateway federation, and testing capabilities are noted to lag behind those of other leaders in the space, which could limit its effectiveness for organizations seeking cutting-edge features. Kong has distinguished itself as a leader in the API management landscape, mainly through its innovative offerings like the AI Gateway, which addresses advanced use cases that set it apart from competitors. Its platform is built on an open-source foundation, which enhances flexibility and performance and appeals to developers who value extensibility through plugins. This understanding of developer needs has contributed to Kong's growing visibility in the market, driven by effective marketing execution and partnerships with major cloud providers. However, pricing has emerged as a concern for some customers, particularly regarding the complexity and perceived high costs associated with its service-based pricing model. Additionally, Kong's strategy encompasses multiple products, which may lead to confusion for customers trying to navigate the best options for their API management needs. Furthermore, it lacks vertical-specific solutions that could make it more attractive to businesses in specialized industries. Gravity.io is a robust player, recognizing the growing demand for versatile API management solutions that support various protocols and API gateways. The platform's comprehensive features excel in design-first and event-based API management, while its straightforward pricing model appeals to customers seeking predictability. However, as a smaller vendor, Gravity.io needs to work on visibility in the crowded market, often finding it difficult to appear on customer shortlists during evaluations. Its operations are primarily concentrated in Europe and North America, which may limit its service and support capabilities for prospective customers in other regions. Additionally, the lack of a vertical strategy means Gravity.io does not offer industry-specific solutions or content, which could deter clients with specialized compliance or operational needs. Lastly, SmartBear has packaged its API management offerings into the SmartBear API Hub, focusing on the entire API lifecycle to meet developers' needs effectively. The company is involved in several innovative initiatives, including developing new API standards relevant to modern AI use cases. Despite its strengths, SmartBear faces challenges related to its fragmented product portfolio, which can confuse users trying to navigate the various tools and offerings. This fragmentation may hinder the overall user experience as customers attempt to identify the right solutions for their needs. Furthermore, SmartBear does not provide tailored solutions for specific industries, which could limit its appeal to organizations with niche requirements. Additionally, its SaaS offerings are available in a limited number of regions, potentially impacting customer adoption in areas with specific data residency needs. In conclusion, the leaders in this Magic Quadrant exhibit diverse strengths and weaknesses that reflect their varying focuses on innovation, market understanding, product strategy, and geographic reach. Organizations considering an API management solution must carefully evaluate their needs to find the best fit that aligns with their objectives and supports their overall API strategy. When selecting an API platform vendor, several vital considerations come into play. You must decide whether you want an on-premises cloud or hybrid hosted API platform. Hybrid and on-premises solutions require additional time for planning, deployment, and maintenance. On the other hand, cloud-hosted solutions can introduce latency as data must travel over the internet between the client, the cloud-hosted gateway, and backend services. This distance can add to the response time, especially if the client and the backend service are geographically distant from the gateway. If you opt for an on-premises or hybrid hosted API platform, consider the complexity of deploying and maintaining it. Some API platforms require multiple nodes and types of databases, which can increase the complexity of the deployment and maintenance. Consider the user experience of the offered features and whether you can customize the design to fit your needs. If the API platform does not provide all the features you need, consider whether and how you can enhance it with additional functionality, such as plugins, and whether these are open source. If you plan to enhance the API platform with additional functionality, consider fostering a developer community that can contribute scripts and answer questions. A vibrant community can be an invaluable resource. Additionally, you must evaluate the costs and support options available should. If you are a small startup, you might seek free tiers or open source solutions. Conversely, established enterprises often require robust support and service agreements. By thoughtfully examining these elements and utilizing resources such as the Gartner Magic Quadrant, organizations can make well-informed choices when selecting an API platform vendor that aligns with their specific requirements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know what you think or if you have any questions in the comments. Look out for our next video in which we introduce Google's API platform, Apigee.